All right, you gotta look at what you're looking at me, and I'm looking at you. Like, watching the typical I'll fake it till I make it channel. Hello, this is Evolving with Etta, and on my channel, we talk about life and relationships. So if you're ready for something real,
so stay tuned.
to evolve is to live. Now, how crazy is this? Hi guys, I never even opened up the vlog. So here is the TEMU Haul that I purchased, and we were so ridiculously excited we just start ripping up packages. Sorry.
Passport cover. To travel
Is
to live. Wait, is it true?
Yes,
What?
the travel is to live.
I haven't been traveling to live.
But that's okay. You're so young. You're going to start living very soon, honey.
Next year I'm gonna live in Florida, but I can't live that long.
Yeah, you can. You kind of have to. So these here are. These help. These are what they call, you like a monitor, a sensor to help keep you track of where your bags and things are. So these will go in our suitcases, a must, so we can keep track of our suitcases.
Even though
definitely not gonna. I can't be cute with this.
You go all pink with it.
That's hilarious. I just thought it was cute.
Comment down below what she can use for it.
Comment down below what I can use this for.
Should these be my new earrings or no?
You have jokes. You're so funny. So, does this conclude our TEMU haul? This concludes our TEMU haul. Wasn't much of a haul. I just grabbed up some stuff to see what, would interest me. And it didn't take long at all. I think it took like a week. They said that if it wasn't here by the 7th, that I could get, like a discount or something. My sister did inform me that they always give you like a $5 coupon. They kept sending me so many text messages. I kept getting the $5 discount thingy anyway. So here you have it. Simple and easy. The sunglasses I love. They were like $5. The bracelets were like $5. I'll put photos and everything in what the item. And yeah. Tell me what kind of success you had with TEMU, and if you've purchased big things, have you purchased many things?
And comment down below what's your favorite thing.
Comment down below your favorite thing. I didn't even need to be here. So, be sure that you like
and subscribe.
And she'll probably be running the next one.
Yeah.
I'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
To evolve is to live.